Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Tutor. In this video, we will discuss how to create a consistent spiral video background for quiz videos using Canva. Let's dive in. Open the Canva app or website, and from the Templates menu, select Video to create a new project. Choose the dimensions that best suit your content, for example, 1080p for high-definition videos. Next, head over to the Elements tab and search for Spiral Background. Browse through the results and choose a spiral background design that fits your style. Resize and adjust the spiral to cover your video canvas completely. To animate the spiral, click on it and select the Animate option. Choose a subtle animation like fade or rotate to keep the movement smooth, especially for quiz-style videos where you don't want the background to be distracting. Now add your quiz content on top. This can include questions, text, or images. Make sure the spiral background doesn't overpower the main content by adjusting the transparency or slightly blurring the background if needed. Once your design is complete, click the Share button in the top right corner, then tap on the download icon. From the options, select MP4 video as the format and hit download. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.